Welcome. Work paper organization is a first step to preparing quality tax and accounting. This course teaches the process. Also, get to improve your Excel skills along the way. Work papers summarize, explain, calculate, and reference to tax filings and to the source of the glorious information. Better work papers, better work quality, better clients, and better pay. I frequently get asked how to break into a CPA firm or to get better accounting jobs. This course is a step to make the bridge between academics and making some money in a better position. This not only helps aspiring staff, but owners looking to handle more complex work at scale. We will focus on tax, as this is the most applicable to a smaller firm like mine, and tax is a great way to break into the profession. Organizing segments otherwise overwhelming jobs into smaller tasks and makes a seemingly daunting project manageable. This field, to some extent, is a methodology of financial organization, so let me show you what goes on behind the scenes of the numbers. I am John Gillingham, CPA, founder of Accounting Play, where we use apps and courses to teach real-world accounting, tax, and bookkeeping skills. This course is inspired from my need to teach my own staff and is a culmination of over a decade of experience. The course also comes with valuable downloads to enhance the traditional lessons. Be sure to get those. Join me in taking this valuable step for your education and career. Be sure to check out the other Accounting Play apps and courses and leave feedback. It is greatly appreciated. Thank you.